Hello there. I'm hoping that all the doing great. I'm also doing great. So you know that I have a black mark on my chest, and I showed to the doctor in my native area in my hometown, and the doctor gave me a salt. I used the salt, but the black mark is not removing. And doctor also suggested me it can be sign of a cancer, and you should go to Dhaka and you should show the problem to the very expert doctor. So that's why I came to Dhaka at this back, and doctor cut a piece of skin from here, and after examining, and doctor today gave me the report. The report is very positive. This is not matter of concern. This is not sign of a cancer. So that's why maybe today I will meet doctor, and the doctor will give me some medicines, and then I will go back to my destination or my hometown. That's it. Thank you very much, and pray for me so that I can go my native area, my hometown very safely. Thank you very much.